Hi, I'm Jade, and today I'm going to show you how you can get 3 looks with Sally Hansen's new fuzzy coat nail range. The 3 colours I'm going to choose from the 7 colour range are Tight Knit, Fuzz C and Walnut. Let me show you how quick and easy it is to get these looks.
First, I'm going to show you how to create a fuzzy coat sheer look. To start off with, let's file and smooth the edges of your nails using a fine nail board. Next, apply a thin coat of Salon Manicure base coat to all your nails. Shake the bottle of fuzzy gently. Now I'm going to apply 1 coat of Fuzz C. Finally, apply Sally Hansen Dry and Go drops on top for a quick dry in 60 seconds. And there you have it, a sheer fuzzy coat finish for an everyday casual look.
Now let me show you how you can dress up your nails and create a woven finish. I'm going to show you how you can use Tight Knit to create a textured effect.
File and smooth the edges of your nails, apply a thin coat of Salon Manicure base coat, shake the bottle of fuzzy gently. For this woven fuzzy look, I'm going to apply 1 coat of Tight Knit in a dabbing motion. Once dry, apply a 2nd and 3rd coat to build up texture. A quick tip, more coats need more drying time. See how with just a few extra coats, you can get a full textured nail look for a dramatic finish.
Now let me show you how you can create a fuzzy feature nail, which is very on trend right now. The 2 colours I'll be using for this look are Sally Hansen's Complete Salon Manicure in I Pink I Can, and then for the top I'll be using Fuzzy Coat Walnut.
File and smooth the edges of your nails, then apply a thin coat of Salon Manicure base coat. Apply 1 coat of your favourite Sally Hansen nail colour. I'm using Complete Salon Manicure in I Pink I Can. Apply a 2nd coat if needed. For a fuzzy feature nail look, apply 1 coat of Walnut to your ring finger. You can paint the entire nail or just a section to create different looks. There are no rules to this step, so be as creative as you like. And finally, apply Sally Hansen Dry and Go drops on top for a quick dry in 60 seconds. See how by adding the fuzzy coat texture to just 1 nail makes a fun statement and creates an entirely different look.
With the 7 different shades of fuzzy coat, you can create so many unique looks at home. They are perfect with every outfit.